We are now on the Metro Lipa Medical Center to conduct an interview to the doctor inside. Go! So guys, we are here on Metro Lipa Medical Center to conduct an interview to Dr. Myla Recinto Napisa. So come on, let's go! And now we're going to the lab. Please stay quiet because the people inside is in.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mark Oliver, and I'm a BSB student, major in marketing. May I know, ma'am, why did you choose to be in the line of medicine instead of being in other field of career?
So there was an opportunity for me to take up medicine after BS Medical Technology. So I grabbed this opportunity. And since my parents were more than willing na supportahan ako sa profession, eventually, tsaka sa medical studies, then I pursued.
So, pwede naman po namin malaman na yung pong tiring din ninyo minsan nakakaisip naman talaga kayong gumana. So, yun po.
Tiring day during dito na, while being a doctor na, ganyan. There are times that I really have to find a way to unwind. Kasi the medical profession is very stressful. It's not an 8 to 5 job. It's actually a 24-hour, 7 days a week job. There are times that I am busiest kapag Sundays, where in fact I should be with my family. Pero naisisingit mo yung time for yourself. You have to maintain your sanity. There are times that you have to say no, kahit na emergencies, you find a reliever, halimbawa, another doctor who can take your place or manage your patient for you, and then you come back. Kasi sa medical profession, it's very important you are sane. Kasi otherwise, baka kung ano ng mga gamot ang ma-prescribe mo or you mismanage a patient, and then you end up with legalities. So napakahalaga doon that you are focused sa iyong career, sa iyong management in terms of patient care and treatment, kasi buhay ang iyong kinakaharap dito.
Tama po yun. Ano naman po, being a doctor and a housewife, so, ano pa po ba yung isa pa nagpapasaya sa isang doktora, Myla?
Nagpapasaya. In a day, I have something like around a minimum of 5 tasks that I have to finish. Maximum of 12 siguro or more in a day. So, time management is very important also for me. Kasi in the mornings, I prepare the breakfast for my kids. Make sure that their needs are met until they are discharged from the house and they go to school. After which, I attend to the needs at home. So, all the other cleaning, I do all those stuff. Because I don't believe that somebody else will do the things that you want done better than you yourself doing it. So I make sure that the house is clean, everything is a-okay before I leave the house for my clinics. And then, it's just a matter of putting things in the right place at the right time. So let's say I have to go to Robinson's from here. So, lahat ng pwede kong daanan along the way, I allot, let's say, 5 minutes to pay the bills in SM and then go here and then. So I get all those tasks finished during the day. And it gives me a sense of fulfillment na nagawa ko ito no matter what. And I'm able to care for my patients and my family all at the same time. Yes. And then I get a good night's sleep.
Masasabi niyo naman po na talagang successful po kayo sa kinuha niyo pong line ng profession?
Well, being in the medical profession is already a big bonus for me. From the start, when I was in high school, well, Julia can attest to that, my friend. I never wanted to be a doctor when I was in high school. All I wanted was to draw or to make good music. I wanted to be an architect or a pianist. I wanted to be in the Conservatory of Music of Beauty. But then, fate has its way of telling me that this is a better field for me. One is, I'm able to do more service to more people. Being in the medical profession is not just about earning money, making a good, good life. It's about being charitable also. There are a lot of people who are in need. And if you're able to in a way, bridge the gap, you have access to medications which are for free, and then you give it to the person who is in need. That's already a big bonus. And the Lord is using me. I believe He's using me for something. So it's not only in terms of managing patients, but He has gifted me with talents that I never knew I had, that I am discovering actually to this moment. And these talents are being utilized not only for the medical profession, but also for the different societies that I am a member of, or of which I am an officer. Like now, I have a meeting with the board of directors of the hospital, so I'm helping to actually put up this hospital together. So that's a big bonus for me. It's not actually being successful in the profession, but being a significant individual. You make your contribution not only to your family, but to the society.
Okay po, thank you very much, ma'am, for your effort and time. We are appreciating.
You never mentioned your name.
I'm John Ahmed Ray, Business Administration student, ma'am, major in marketing. Thank you very much, ma'am. Mark Oliver po.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's go!